Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hairunisa. In this occasion, I would like to present about business climate. Before I present my materials, I would like to ask you, have you known about business climate? What is business climate? And what two factors influence the business climate? Okay, here I want to tell you what business climate is. Based on definition by uslegal.com, business climate is the general economic environment within society, enterprise, and location comprising of the attitude of the government, politicals, labor organization, financial, and lending instruction toward business and business activity, attitudes of labor unions toward employers, current taxation regime, and inflation statistic through which forecasts general explore a positive risk regarding the financial system. In the definition of business climate, let's move to the next material about factors that influence business climate. There are three factors that influence business climate. Number one, investment. As a common person, we may don't know or still confuse what investment is. In an economic sense, an investment is the purchase of goods that are not consumed today but are used in the future. In financial, an investment is a monetary asset purchased with the idea that will provide income in the future or will be sold in the high price for a profit. Instead, investing is putting the money to start to work or to expand a project or to purchase assets where those funds will increase value over time. Number two, government. In business climate, the government can give influence by their policy. The two of the most influenced policy are fiscal policy and monetary policy. Fiscal policy regulates about taxation, whereas monetary policy regulates about money circulation in society, and it relates to inflation. The last factor is saving. Saving on either by the government or society has an impact for our business climate. The society saving can be used for investment, and it relates to inclusion. What is inclusion? Inclusion is a condition where the society can access financial facilities and services comfortably and affordably. Okay, now let's talk about business climate in Indonesia. As an archipelago country which is flanked by two continents and two oceans, Indonesia is passed by international trade lines. It can give advantages for our country to make an international business. But to make it come true, Indonesia needs a good business climate which is supported by three aspects. As we know how our country's condition is, it can give a bad impact to our country's economy. The coronavirus which spreads around the world and also in Indonesia can give a huge impact to all life aspects, especially in the economy. Because of this condition, the needs for medical equipment are highly increased, and due to the high demand for them, the price is also increased. In the market, the price for masks and hand sanitizer is very expensive. The problem is not only about the price but also about the availability of the goods. The high demand for masks and hand sanitizer makes them really scarce in the market. The pandemic of COVID-19 also gave impact to rupiah exchange rate. Reporting from Kompas.com, the rupiah exchange rate to US dollar touched 16,625 rupiah per dollar. If it happens continuously, there will be a bad impact for our business climate. And then it's the big challenge for our government to make a good policy to solve this problem. And therefore, the government policy determines our economy's country condition. Thank you for watching. My name is Hairunisa. See you.